TTSDG.
A text-to-speech data generator package.
TTSDG.
Introducing TTSDG, the text-to-speech data generator package that simplifies the otherwise tedious task of generating large amounts of TTS data for machine learning tasks. With TTSDG, you can easily generate text offline, in bulk, and with control over the installed system voices. TTSDG ensures to randomize different parameters for every sample like volume, speed, and voice to prevent duplicates from happening. Utilizing PyTTSX3 and pydub, TTSDG can generate the audio and convert it into various formats, including but not limited to WAV, MP3 and AIFF.
Installation.
To install TTSDG, simply run
Usage.
Here's how you can use it with a code snippet. A bug in PyTTSX3 will cause hangs on generation and loops sometimes. Del the generator at the end of the loop to solve this.
Conclusion.
In summary, TTSDG makes TTS data generation a breeze. Install it, set your parameters, and let it do the heavy lifting for you. For more information, visit https://pypi.org/project/TTSDG/.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.